Now let's have a look at cash flow management strategies, in particular the role of the cash flow statement. So what is cash flow management? Cash flow management is all about planning, monitoring and controlling the cash inflows and outflows of the business to ensure they have sufficient cash on hand when required. So it all starts with the cash flow statement. The cash flow statement is going to determine the pattern of inflows and outflows of cash for a period of time. It's going to help the business to identify any periods of cash surpluses or cash shortages. That therefore allows them to plan and implement strategies to overcome these issues. It helps them to be able to plan the most appropriate timing of outflows to prevent deficits of cash, but it also helps them to work out when strategies might be needed to speed up the inflow of cash in order to prevent or cover any cash shortages. So, cash flow management is incredibly important to the long-term success and survival of the business, because what it does is it ensures the business has cash on hand to pay its debts and remain solvent without increasing costs or financial risk of having to borrow in the short term to cover these payments. So when a cash flow strategy is needed? Well, it's when the outflows are too high at a particular point in time or inflows are too slow, and we've got this mismatch that results in a cash deficit. So the business is unable to pay its debts when they fall due or take advantage of any opportunities in the business environment. So really, cash flow management strategies are needed when the business isn't receiving cash at the right time and/or they are required to make payments at the wrong time. So in summary, what does the cash flow statement do to help in this area? Well, we need to remember that the cash flow statement just shows the movement of cash in and out of the business for a period of time. What it does is it's going to allow us to identify periods of cash shortages and cash surplus. And it's going to help the cash flow management of the business because it allows managers to identify these periods of shortage, which then gives them time to shop around for the very best source of funds to be able to ensure that they have cash when needed. It also allows them to work out the very best timing of outflows, along with determining what strategies are needed to make sure that cash is always available when needed.